everyone, Kayla here, and today I'm going to be bringing you a review of the Coils by Nature Deep Conditioner. So I'm just going to go ahead and address this at the beginning of the video. There are lights on lights on lights. So if you're wondering like, why is your girl looking super pale? It's because Florida is not having it with me. It is dark. It has been dark for days, but I'm still going to film this video. And furthermore, my husband is in his finals. If you do not know, my husband is a college student. He's not college student age, but he a college student. And so he is in this room studying a lot. So I waited for him to take the dog out. And he tends to take the dog out when it's dark. So that is why I got all the lights on. And when I say all the lights, all the lights. But anyway, so let me go ahead and get into this deep conditioner. There's a story about why I tried this deep conditioner. You probably can't see it because I get, again, all the lights. All the lights are on. But I tried this deep conditioner because a long time ago I tried the Coils by Nature gel. And I didn't like it. Granted, my hair was in completely different condition than it is now. And I wanted to revisit it. So I was thinking about them. I was like, I didn't give them a fair shake. I need to try them again, you know? So I see the owner in my email inbox, and I guess they had pulled the email addresses of all the people that had previously purchased from them, and my email address must have been among them when I had purchased the gel many, many years ago. And so they were offering like I don't know, it was a decent amount coupon. Like I think it was like a $20-$25 coupon. And I was like, okay, there's gotta be some cash to this mess. I'm ignoring it. I totally ignored the email, threw it away, whatever. I'm a like obsessive email checker, and I delete emails like or move it to a folder as soon as like right after I read it. So I deleted that one. Then they're in my inbox again, but this time the coupon or the gift card was for a lower amount. It was $15. I was like, at this point, it was a second email. I'm like, well, let me go ahead and get this thing because they're telling me that I can have free $15. Maybe I should revisit the gel. I guess maybe at some process when I was going to buy the item, I guess I said I still have a lot of gel or I'm still using leave-ins or something. So I decided to get the deep conditioner. I forgot about this because when I got the product, I was like, I thought I wanted the gel, but it was the deep conditioner instead. So I guess I forgot. Past Kayla didn't communicate with future Kayla, and you know, things happened, okay? So anyway, this cost me, I think the price for this is like $12.99, something like that. Most of their products are around $12. And of course the gift card was for $15. So I basically got this product for free. I think I might have paid maybe 99 cents in total after shipping and everything. So this is their ultra moisturizing cocoa aloe deep conditioner with argan oil. They have like maybe 3 different deep conditioners. I'm not sure. What I like about the Coils by Nature line overall is that all of their products are cruelty free and they do not contain any animal products. I believe everything on their site is vegan. And so I enjoy that because as a vegan, it makes it easier to shop. I can just buy something from that brand and I'm good, you know? So I got the deep conditioner, and the first 5 ingredients are water, aloe vera leaf juice, bihentramonium methosulfate, BTMS, coconut oil, and then cetyl alcohol. So with the first 5 ingredients, I can already tell that this is not going to be as slippery as some of my products. It might be moisturizing due to the water and the aloe, but I noticed that coconut oil was kind of high up on the ingredients list as well. People have sensitivities to it. And also, whenever I use things with heavy oils in the first 5 ingredients, it does tend to coat my hair. So from the ingredients list, I was like, I'm not so sure about this situation, but I must have ordered it. Past Kayla must have ordered it for a reason, so we're going to go with it. So first thing, I love the scent. It's like a really nice, fresh, powdery scent. Let me get my memory right. Yes, it's like powdery coconut fruit. Powdery coconut fruit. That's what it smells like. And then it has like a very thin consistency, and it's a white conditioner. I hope all these lights will enable me. There you go. To show the consistency. It's very much like a thin lotion. And first thing I noticed when I was applying it to my hair, it kind of went in really easily because it is that thin lotion consistency. And at the point of my regimen, when I apply deep conditioner, my hair is soaking wet. Like I don't wrench, like I don't like squeeze my hair, I don't do anything. I'm still standing there dripping and I apply the deep conditioner. So I applied this throughout my hair. And then of course the ultimate test is that I begin to detangle my hair as well. So I typically finger detangle my hair in kind of smaller sections and then do some of the sections together, and then I use a detangling brush and then I will twist it up and deep condition. So I've noticed with this, it does not have as much slip despite the easy application. It goes on very smoothly. It does not have as much slip as some of my other deep conditioners. So if you're someone who has a really, really tangled hair, I think that you might not be able to work the tangles out as well. And that's because like the fatty alcohols and things that help make it slippery, they're further down the ingredients list. So they're just not high up enough in the ingredients list to make this like a super slippery conditioner. And then I found that whenever I am rinsing this off, like whenever I'm revealing the moisture that I've gotten from this, my hair sometimes tends to be a little puffy, and then the next product doesn't seem to sink in as much. Especially when I was following it with the Giovanni leave-in conditioner, which is very slippery and like foamy. It didn't seem like it was really penetrating my hair like it normally would. And then one time I washed my hair at night, and my night routine involves letting the deep conditioner kind of dry into my hair, not deep conditioning overnight, but letting it dry in and then rinsing in the morning and styling my hair in the morning. And I noticed that when I did that, my hair was really puffy and dry feeling when I rinsed. So there's nothing in the ingredients and nothing in this product that it seems would make my hair feel dry. It's not drying my hair out. It's just that my hair is not as moisturized and as receptive of other products as it would normally be. And I think that has to do with the fact that coconut oil is ingredient number 4 out of the top 5. Coconut oil is a heavy coating oil. It can penetrate the hair shaft, but then it can also kind of cause a situation where it blocks other things from getting into your hair and making it a little bit more difficult to moisturize your hair. I feel like the natural hair community at a whole probably already knows this about coconut oil. We're not like with the hearts in our eyes about coconut oil anymore, really. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on their site and see if they have other deep conditioners that maybe don't have coconut oil as much, but their site doesn't have as much variety. They tend to have like several scents of the same product, and then they have a scentless, which is also really good for people who have allergies and sensitivities. And then I'm going to get that gel because that's what I want to try. I'm going to pick that gel up, but this deep conditioner is not bad. Just to wrap it up, it's not bad. It's not something that I would say don't get. I think that it will work for some people. It just did not do as well as some of my other products. That's all. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it was at some point helpful or informative. Please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment on your way out, and share this with one of your natural friends. And I will talk to you guys in the next video.